Welcome. This week we are going to be talking about fixed assets. Fixed assets are long-term assets, and they're the assets that we use to generate revenue. So examples would be buildings. So we usually, if we're a brick and mortar business, we need to have some sort of a physical building, either for our headquarters or maybe for our retail outlets or whatever we have. It may include equipment. If we have some sort of equipment, it might include vehicles. So if we run a taco truck, the actual truck would be a fixed asset. What else would be a fixed asset? Machinery, land, all of these kinds of things that you don't just buy them and use them, you buy them and you use them for 5, 10, 15 years. A lot of buildings are used for 30 years or more. Okay, so that's what we're going to be studying this week. Our fixed assets will depreciate. So you remember the matching principle, of course you do. And it says that we have to book expense in the same period that it's used to generate revenue. So when we buy a truck, if we keep it for 5 years, it's going to help us generate revenue for 5 years. So we have to expense a little bit of that truck every month over that 5-year time period. And that will be our depreciation. All right, so I know you're as excited as I am. Let's jump in to this week's module on fixed assets.